this is a mess. So this is where my actual dressing table is, but it doesn't have like light. First, I do get good amounts of sleep, but I just still have like really big bags. So we're gonna put some stuff over that, just to, you know, calm them down a bit. I just kind of want to look more awake. Just swipe it around everywhere, I guess. I would use that special sponge thing. I don't know where it is though, but I would use that. But I really can't be bothered to go and like wet it. So this is my second best option. So then I just do this. So once that's all like in there, I guess, I just get my powder. I get a brush and I just put it in the powder, and then I just put it on my eyes, under my eyes, to make sure it stays there all day. Okay, so now you've got that on, you should be kind of prepped, I guess. I'm really pale at the moment. Like, I don't think I've ever been this pale before. I kind of like it, but then I'm kind of like, wow, I'm like really pale. I'm kind of getting like Snow White vibes. I just go like this. And then I just sort of try and put it in the right place and not make it look patchy. Oh, do you see this? Oh, that is not good. Wow, I messed up. Really, I messed up a lot. This will look so much better on me when I'm actually tan, because, you know, it's just a little dark, just a little bit dark at the moment. How am I gonna fix that? That's really bad. My lips are so chapped, that must be so annoying. So now I've kind of like bronzed my face a bit. I'm just gonna put some powder on top of that because I don't want it to be like sticky. Oh my god. I'm literally sitting on a stool right now to get down to this level. Now I'm gonna do blusher. Oh my god, it's so orange. So I kind of want to keep going for that like rosy sort of look, like kind of winter flushed look. Chubby stick from Clinique. I want to put my hood on. They look pretty. I may look like so weird, but I'm just going to carry on. I'm using this because it smells amazing and it's pretty AF. So I'm going for like a rosy kind of natural look. Well, I'm just going to start off with a bit of this colour. Oh god. With this colour at the bottom. How do I make this look good? Milk chocolate. And just put it in the crease. A little bit. I'm just going to take a bit of triple fudge. I use it as a kind of eyeliner. Yes, look at that compared to that. I'm just gonna dip into semi-sweet and put it under the lash line a bit. I would say I'm like below mediocre eyebrows, so wish me luck if I can ever find my eyebrow thing. Okay, so first step, you brush them out. So not even my tweezers are working right now, so honestly, like, wish me the best. Whoa, okay, I just brushed them out better than they've ever been brushed out in quite a while, so I'm just gonna hope that they turn out okay. Oh my god, I hope they turn out okay. Wow, they look great. I'm so bad at this. I need to pluck like all around here, but hopefully they won't notice. Yeah, they look great. Freaking professional. Wow, some clicks for me, am I right? Yes. I just want to powder my nose because my nose is really shiny. I want my eyes to be like the main attraction, not my nose. Wow, that looks bad. I kind of want to use some eyeshadow as highlight as well. Like this eyeshadow. God, Philly tastes so good. So I tried my best. My nose is still shiny, but it's like matte, so I don't understand. Yeah, I'm finished, but I still need to like do something with this, so I'm gonna do something with that. I think I shall straighten it. This may take a while, actually. Yeah. So this is what my hair looks like naturally. It's just really curly. I can make it look nice if I try, but otherwise it just looks like really kind of messy. I'm gonna use my oil heat protectant because my hair is always like dry. Ew. Why do I look insane? I'm obviously not trying to make it like pin straight, otherwise I wouldn't be doing this with it. I really don't mind if it's a bit curly. I just want it to be tamed so I don't have to worry about it. This is really tiring. I'm so hot now. I nearly burnt myself. I didn't put heat protectant on this bit. That's bad. But I did put this oil on it yesterday, so it's already kind of heat protected, right? Obviously. Oh my god, this is such hard work. I feel better now, and now you can actually see how pale I am because look at me compared to this. I don't usually like to straighten freshly washed hair because it's just too puffy, but I've done it today. But I'm just gonna leave it how it is and eat breakfast because I'm really hungry. I like half straightened my hair. See, this is why I don't like doing it when it's freshly washed because it's still puffy. If you do it when it's like kind of a bit dirty, it just turns out less puffy. So what I like to do is I like to put this oil in it to make it have that sort of like oily-esque vibe and try and make it less puffy. I look like a little egg. So I made my bagels. My bagel. They're both, oh my god. Okay. Okay. I've already eaten half of this one. This half is butter and Nutella. And this half is butter and Marmite. Marmite is so good. Marmite and butter and bagels is so good. It's a British classic, you know, but you have to spread a light layer. Like this for me is a thick layer. Like you have to spread it really light, especially if it's your first time. I got pink water. Okay, yeah, bye. So I kind of look like an egg, but it's fine because I'm ready to go. Eh. And I've just got jeans on. Oh god. So yeah. So that's my little get ready with me, I guess. So that's it. Doo-doo. I think like it's snowing. It's snowing, but like really badly, so it won't settle. I can't look a nun with a plant, but like whatever. Okay, well, bye. I'll see ya in the next one. So, bye.